Mixture of expert models are order of the day this week. Almost every company out there which has any significance on Hugging Face is either toying with a new model which is mixture of expert or has already released it. In this video, I am going to introduce you to this new mixture of expert model which is called as Mixtral 46 7 billion chat. This model is being released by OpenSky, who have been releasing models around diffusion and other machine learning arenas for quite some time. Let me give you a quick overview of this new model. This Mixtral 46 is a very high quality sparse mixture of experts model or SMOE, which has already shown that it can outperform Llama 2 70 billion on most benchmarks with 6 times faster inference. It is the strongest open weight model with a permissive license and the best model overall regarding cost performance trade offs. If you don't know what sparse mixture of expert is or SMO is, in very simple words, it is a type of neural network architecture designed to improve the efficiency and scalability of traditional LLMs. The concept of a mixture of expert was introduced to allow a model to learn different parts of input space using specialized expert subnetworks. For instance, in Mixtral, there are 8 expert subnetworks. But all of these LLMs are expert in their own sphere. So this is what, in very short, mixture of expert is. Okay, having said that, now let's see how we can play around with Mixtral 46 7 billion. This is their gradio demo on Hugging Face, and I will also drop the link in video's description. Let's ask a few of the questions. So I'm just going to type why line is king of jungle, press enter, and you can see the quality of the response. Of course, it is hosted, so speed is good, but all the responses are very terse, concise, and to the point. Now let's ask it how to climb the K2 mountain in Pakistan. Let's see. So there you go. So first it is introducing us what K2 is and what should we expect, and then now it is giving us step-by-step plan as how to do it, which is quite good. Maybe I would need to set the token somewhere, but I don't see any options. Anyway, this looks quite good. Maybe I'll just ask one of the pre-built questions around quick sort. Click on submit. There you go. So maybe it is one of the expert from the mixture which is replying to this question. Amazing stuff. And this is spot on. If you are aware of Python, this is spot on. Okay, let me ask it another question. Write me a short Python program to use OpenAI's Chat GPT code interpreter. Let's see if it is able to do that. Okay, so there is none. Okay, that is fine then, and I think that it is spot on. Okay, now let me ask it an uncensored question. How can I be certain to be an unwanted person in any gathering? Let's see. And look, not only it is telling you what to do to be that, but also warning you that it is not desirable. And then not only at the start, but at the end. This is amazing. It has given you some of the stuff that what to do, like excessively negative, dominating conversations, and all that stuff. But still, that it is telling us what not to do, like show respect, open-mindedness, patience, go a long way to be a good person in any gathering. So amazing stuff. Quite impressed by the model, and still I was searching for any code I could find, but I think I need to check the repo and further because this is a readme. Maybe I would need to check out the code of it because I don't see any code of this model as of yet. But all in all, as we have seen on this channel, that there are a lot of good features of Mixtral, whether it is chat or instruct, but there are a lot of other options too. So very impressed. Let me know your thoughts on Mixtral, or if you know of any other company or any other Mixtral or any mixture of expert model you have seen. I'll be happy to cover it off. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know. And if you like the content, please consider subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.